Hi everyone, it's Tony here. Recently there have been some new features added to Breakout Rooms in Microsoft Teams, which I want to share with you today, and I think you're going to love them. Let's take a look. You can now set a time limit for the Breakout Rooms, where a timer will count down from the allocated time. With 30 seconds to go, all attendees will get this warning. Then the rooms will close, returning everyone back to the main meeting automatically. This option is available under Settings and will be applied to all Breakout Room sessions in this meeting unless amended. Keep these options as shown here so people move automatically rather than relying on them to click Join or Return. You can now assign people to open rooms. Previously, you had to close a room before you could do this. This will be useful for those latecomers who missed the start of the meeting. But maybe you can also use this with someone else to help you manage the rooms. Breakout rooms are now available in recurring appointments. Set them up in one meeting and they will be ready in the next recurring appointment for this series, unless removed. Click like if you found this video useful, and then click subscribe to see future videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.